In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-send mode in Gmail. If you've ever needed to send the same message to a large group without using a clunky BCC, this feature makes it simple, professional, and compliant. First, a quick overview. Multi-send sends individual copies of your email to each recipient so they don't see one another, and replies come back only to you. It's designed for announcements, invitations, and updates, not for cold outreach or spam. You'll usually find it in the desktop version of Gmail, and it's commonly available to Google Workspace accounts. If you don't see the option, your admin may need to enable it, or you may need to switch to a desktop browser. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window, look for the multi-send icon, which resembles multiple people. Click it to turn multi-send on. If you don't immediately see it, click the More Options menu to reveal additional tools. Add your recipients in the To field. You can paste a list, type names, or select from your contacts. Keep the CC and BCC fields empty. Multi-send handles the distribution for you. Gmail can help flag invalid addresses, and it may warn you about duplicates so you don't send the same person multiple copies. Write a clear subject line and a concise message. Keep formatting simple for best deliverability. If your account supports personalization, you'll see an option to insert merge tags, such as first name, so each email feels tailored. Only use tags you're confident your contact list can populate, otherwise, keep it generic. Multi-send automatically adds an unsubscribe link to the footer to help you comply with bulk email requirements. You can't remove that footer, and that's a good thing. It improves trust and keeps your messages out of spam. Before you send, it's wise to send a test to yourself. Check how it looks on desktop and mobile, verify that links work, and ensure any images load correctly. When you're satisfied, click Send. Gmail will create individual messages for each recipient so you get clean, one-to-one replies. After sending, anyone who unsubscribes won't receive future multi-send messages from you. If multi-send is missing or grayed out, try a supported desktop browser, clear your cache, or contact your admin. Avoid very large attachments, and space out your sends to stay within sending limits. That's it. Clean, simple, and professional bulk emailing right inside Gmail.